So we'll start the exercise. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my network is very problem. I am on the video. I can't hear the class.
Okay. Then you switch off your video. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But you
Thank you.
stay connected. We will do the exercise. Okay. So we'll do it fast. And as we completed chapter 2, so we'll do the exercise today. Okay. Please do that in your copy. Write full sentence. Okay. That's the rule. First rule, do in your copy. Second rule, write in full sentence. Okay, now I'm starting the first A1. A1, you'll have to tick which one is correct. So just write in a copy in full sentence. The Earth is the third planet from the sun. The third planet from the sun is the Earth. First question, A1 will be the answer will be the option A, third. Just write this sentence. The Earth, the third planet from the sun is the Earth. This sentence only.
Ma'am, copy.
Copy.
Okay.
Write in full sentence. Okay.
Get the question 1.
Yes, this is the question 1, A1. The third planet from the sun is the Earth.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am late.
Okay. Tell me your name. Deepal. Okay. Deepal, I will mark your attendance. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If anyone else is late, just let me know. Now, question number 2. We live on the planet Earth. We live on the planet Earth.
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay, very good. But we'll have to wait for the others to complete. We live on the planet Earth. Planet Earth. Now, the sun is the natural source of Earth. Source of light on, yes, natural. The sun is the natural source of light on Earth. The sun is the natural source of light on Earth. That is question 3. Now question 4. Long ago, people were afraid to travel far away. That is question number 4. Long ago, people were afraid to travel far away.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Yes, please write it.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Okay, I will wait for you.
Ma'am, 5 numbers.
5 number, yes. Who have not completed? Who has not completed? Okay, question number 5 is the rotation causes days and nights on different parts of the world. The rotation causes days will be the answer. Okay, days and nights on different parts of the world. Yes, days. Okay, so I will repeat again. Option A, 1. The answer will be third. Option A. Question A1. The answer will be option A, third. Question A2. The answer will be option B, earth. Question 3. The answer will be option C, natural. Question 3. The answer will be C, natural. Question 4. Long ago people were afraid. Option D. Okay. Question 4. Answer will be option D. And question 5. The answer will be option A. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just finish it.
Yes, ma'am. I am completed. I am Moira Rajni.
Everyone, please finish it.
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay, very good. A1 is option A, third. A2 is option B, earth. A3 is option C, natural. A4 is option D, afraid. A5 is option A, days.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, very good.
I have completed.
Okay, so most of you have completed, I think. Now we will do B. Okay. Yes. We will do B.
বি হচ্ছে বিটা শুরু করে দে আর এটা শুরু করে নিবি বিটা শুরু করে দে বিটা শুরু করে দে
Okay, A is not completed. Who has not completed A? I can wait.
অর আবার কি
Completed.
Okay, is there anyone who has not completed yet?
I am completed. Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay, okay.
Completed.
I'm not asking who has completed. I'm asking that is there anyone who has not?
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
Rajveer.
have completed.
Okay, Rajveer has not completed, and other Sabnur, you have not completed. Okay, you just finish, and I'm waiting. Okay, don't worry. You just ask me if you have any doubt.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, Rajveer, good. Sabnur.
I'm completed.
Okay, Sabnur, very good. Now we will do the B2. Okay, cause of okay. 2/3.
Ma'am, he wanted. Ma'am, what book?
B1. Okay, the fifth letter.
In what book?
Okay, who is asking that? What book? Who is asking that? What book? Okay, B first. The fifth largest planet is option E, the Earth. B1. The fifth largest planet is E, the Earth. Here. Okay. Now, 2/3 of our planet is covered with water. A Portuguese sailor is Ferdinand Magellan. Cause of days and nights, that is rotation. And cause of change in seasons, that is revolution. So first will be the Earth. The second option will be the covered with water. Third will be Ferdinand Magellan. Fourth will be rotation. And fifth will be revolution. Okay. The fifth largest. I cannot hear. Not completed. Okay. Okay. Can you see? Can you see my screen?
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Okay. We are
Ma'am,
waiting.
I have also completed.
Okay. Don't tell me that you have completed. If you did not complete, then you tell me. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
number 4 rotation.
Yes. Number 4 will be the option rotation.
ম্যাম এগুলো কি কপিতে লিখতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ। But if you are
শুধু কোশ্চেন অ্যানসার লিখব না শুধু অ্যানসার?
now there is no time, I think. So just do it in your book or just write the answer. Okay. So
ম্যাম আপনার মতো লিখতে হবে কপিতে?
it would be better like that. But if you cannot do that right now, you can do it in book. But later you move it into copy. Okay. Later you write that into copy. Then everything will be together.
ম্যাম my completed.
Okay. Very good. I want everyone to write every exercise in your copy. Okay. So even if you do it in book now, you later do it in copy in your home as your homework. Okay. So in your class work copy, everything should be there.
Ma'am, I write only The BA first number 1 and number 2 I write just now, but I have not. You have classes not over. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, can you do it in book? If you do, I am waiting. Don't worry. If you write, complete it. Okay. Here is the answers.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, can I write?
Yes, right. I'm waiting.
But
I will wait.
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
Okay, you can go to toilet.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have completed. I am Mohammad Siddiq.
Okay, Mohammed. Very good. Siddiq, Amar Siddiq. Very good. Very good that you completed. But others, I will wait for others. Okay. After that, we will do C, question C.
নেক্সট পেজে চলে যান আমি ঢোকাতে
Humaira, have you written?
এই দাঁড়াও না।
কটা বাজে
আরে!
কটা ইয়েতে
এই দেখো কি করলে?
আলোটা বাড়া না ফোনে তোরই সুবিধা হচ্ছে ব্রাইটনেসটা বাড়িয়ে
Humaira, have you completed?
এই ব্রাইটনেসটা
Oh, Rajveer, mute, please.
এই
না, এটা স্ক্রিনশট করিনি।
Okay, I am telling you. Oh, you can write, Rajveer. Okay, there is three answers. Finish this, then I will show you the other two. Everyone, please finish these three, then I will show you the other two. Nuaira, have you finished? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
Okay, Adrita, you have also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, Deepal, Rohin, Munir, can you see my video? Have you finished it? Deepal, you finished it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Rohin, Munir, Meghna, completed?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Munir, very good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Meghna, good, very good. Okay, so who is left? Shifa left, I think, and Rajveer. Okay, Shifa, just do it quickly. If you,
Can I say any question?
yes, Shifa.
Number B1. I write only answer.
Yes, you just
Ma'am,
write
I have completed.
Shifa, do
Ma'am, I
one
can't.
thing. Okay, since you are late, you can do one thing. You just write in your book for now, but later you can do it in copy. Okay. So just quickly write it in the book. Just.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Rajveer, very good. Shifa, B1 will be answer E.
Right earlier, so I
Okay.
No.
Okay, so B1 will be E. Okay, B2 will be A. B3 will be B. B2 will be A. B3 will be B. B4 will be option C. B4 will be option C. B5 will be option D. Completed, Shifa? Okay, now quickly we'll do the question answer. That is of question C. What are the factors which keep us alive on the earth?
I don't know.
Yes? Tell me again.
And see, mother don't know and I don't know.
Okay, C answer will be C answer will be here. This line. The Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. Okay. Page number 10. This
That's
answer.
I screenshot and write.
You can find it in your book. Okay. Page number 10, last sentence.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Yes, Rajveer, but come back fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So question number C1. The answer will be the Earth's weather. Sorry, the Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere.
Am I complete? I complete. Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Okay, Shifa, very good. Yes, you can go to toilet.
No, ma'am, not completed. I write.
Okay, you write, Shifa. Okay, who was asking me to go to toilet? So they can.
I'm Rito Provo Basu.
Oh, Rito Provo. Okay, Rito Provo was not present in the first time. Maybe he just joined. So everyone please finish the first question's answer. The Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. This part. Okay. The last line of page number 10. The Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. Okay, so if you have finished, everyone please finish. Then I have an announcement. Your exam will be held in June. Your exam will be held in June 21st, and after that, but before that, you'll have to. Okay. Everyone completed first? Tell me that. Everyone completed?